I just completed two transactions right now about the arbitrage. As you can see that we have one of 49,000, which I did with 44,000, and this one is just 47,000. As you can see right here that this is today's stuff, right? So I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can do this with a very new platform, but I'm not going to reveal any card or any bank. All right, so at least for us to be secured, then that is why you must watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will know which card you're going to use, right? But I'm not going to mention it inside this video, but definitely we are going to discover the card that works. Hey guys, your friend Ademi is here. So today I'm going to teach you the another strategy for dollar arbitrage, right? So, but before I say anything on this platform, please kindly click on the subscription button, because I told you that this year is going to be wow, because we're going to going to do a lot of research to do some tips, give you some tips and updates on this channel, so that for you not to be missing any of the video that we update on this channel, kindly please click on the subscription button and the notification bell, so that whenever I drop any video, you are going to get updates that we just drop a new video. So the website I'm going to use today is called Goespay.io. As you can see, it's right here. So I'm going to walk you through the step by step on what you do and how to use it, right? So this is what you need to do right here, is just to come to get started right here. Then you're going to see register. Okay, so click on the register, you enter your email address, password, and every other thing. I don't want to take much time about that. So once you do that, then they sent you a notification message to your email address. Then click on copy that link, or click on the link, copy that code. Then you're going to put it here, or you're going to see a link that email, then click on it to make it activated. So once you are activated, then you can now log in to the platform. Let me quickly log into this. All right, as you can see that I just logged into this. So once you log into this, everything here is actually very simple. The first thing you're going to do, they will ask you to validate your account. They will ask you to validate your account by upload your either driver's license, your NIN slip, international passport, and either one of them. So you have to upload on national ID card. So once you upload any one of them, they will ask you to make a video and write here. You will see the instruction on the, you can't see it here because I've done that. As you can see that the account has been validated, right? So you do all the validating, you see the instruction step by step. There is very, very simple what you need to do, right? So once you are doing, or you have done it in less than 24 hours, let me just say 24 hours, but it took about 2-3 hours when I got validated, right? And once you are able to do that, you can see that right here the put deposits have been disabled for the moment. Come back in the view as when they are going to enable the deposit is always not or inactive. So there are some times that they disable it just like this, and when they want to enable it, then you are going to get notification that is going to be deposit is going to be deposit enable rather. So they have this platform, they have a community that they normally use where they update the card that works with their platform at the moment, the amount that you need to fund, right? So then if there is any issue, they have a very good support, so now let me quickly go show you the platform before we go for the alcohol. Okay, now let me finish with this one first. Now let's assume that you have already funded some amount of money. You can see that they have a Goespay P2P. Let's say pay a Chapman merchant can see Go P2P, and all this one assume they are not available. This is only this one that is actually available. So now let's assume that you have been funded with this platform. Let's assume that you have been funded with this platform. So what you're going to do right here is, let's say you have a 44,000 XOV, right? So this is what you're going to do if you want to buy after you have been able to have been successfully to fund right here. So you see your money displaying right here. So then what you need to do is just to go to Binance. When you get to Binance, you go to P2P trading. So when you click on P2P trading, okay, so you can see, as you can see, once you let's just assume that you are funded for the 4,000 XOV, right? It tell you in the community, you will see how much that you are going to is going to be in Naira when you fund for the 4,000 XOV, right? And you're going to see it right here, the amount that you have. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do is just to go to Binance, then you go to P2P trading. When you get to P2P trading, so on P2P trading, you just want to buy USDT with XOV. All right, so XOV is just like a server, right? So then what you're gonna do is just to choose this, then you change your fiat to XOV right here. On payment, you just leave it there, right? Then you click on only show merchant ads. When you click on only show merchant ads, so let's see if it's because I'm not sure. Okay, it's not buying. You cannot buy now. You cannot buy now. Now let's check on sale. Maybe you can see him on sale. All right, so this is Goespay, right? Because Goespay, he just created this platform as a means to deposit and pay him directly. Okay, so then on this place, so you can see that it's also a merchant approved merchant on Binance, right? It's right here. Okay, so what you need to do, so let's assume that you can only sell to him now, it's buy now. But if you want to do your own normal transaction, you have to come to buy. You are not selling to him, you are buying from him, right? Because when you want to sell it back, it means we are selling back to Naira, right? So now, but right now, because this thing is disabled, it means it's out of stock. So it's trying to, that is buy more, at least to get stock. That before you get stock, it updates in the community that the deposit is now enabled, so you are eligible to deposit and buy from him. So now, next thing you're gonna do is just to look for excuse me. Well, you can see it's not there right now, but let's just make use of sell site for you to see how it works. So what you need to do is just to click on this stop, like buy. Let's assume that you want to buy, right? So then you type in amount that you have right here, which is 44,000. That is what you have. No, excuse me. You know how we do it, right? So you type in 44,000 XOV, right? So once you do that, then you're going to click on buy USD. Remember that I'm just using the opposite side. At the moment, it's supposed to be buy, but because it's not on buy section, that is why I'm using the sell section. But you are not selling to him, you are buying from him with XOV. So once after this has been done, then what you need to do is, so you just need to click on buy. So once you click on buy, then all you need to do is just to come to this place. So once you are here, then what you need to do is just to click on send. All right, so you send this money to him. Once you send this money to him, then you have to come back to this place and click on transfer. So release the crypto. So transfer done, so release the crypto. Once you do that, this guy is going to credit you your USDT, then you can now sell it back to Naira. So that is exactly how this thing works, and it's very, very simple. I think you understand what I mean. So if you don't have any issue with this, you can just ask me, or then I'm going to show you his community right now. So what I do next now is just to show you his community to see how he runs his community, right? So now let's go to his community. You can see that a bunch of people, many people are joining this community every day by day. So you can see this is January 2, January 3. So this is, you see, they have a rules on his community. As you can see, you have rules. So now guys, so you update and let's see, so this is him right here. So you say hello, purchase is open. deposit will be deactivated when our stock on Binance is exhausted. That is why you saw it disabled the other time on the PC. So good trade. If you have any claims to hold after the sales at loss, Ghost will not be able to multitask. So if you make a deposit and your credit Goespay is not credited, check in your mail if you have received the receipt from Further Pay. If you have received the receipt, you will credit. It will credit you. It will not have not received. Contact your bank. So you will be seeing different updates on this platform from these guys, right? So this is his community. So I'm going to drop this community link in the description below, and the link to register on the platform, which is Goespay, so on the description below, so that you're able to sign up and follow. So these guys, let me just check more. So you can see here he said, I have no USDT anymore. If I let you top up your wallet, you will put the pressure on me. So it will be giving you updates when it's available, when it's unavailable. So, and you'll be seeing what people are depositing. So people are actually discussing right here inside the what is it called, the community. So you can see this guy set up here the card that he used, that one we used. Then this guy also tells people the card that they can use. Can see we tell you this. You can see he said what he said here, but now UBA dollar rate. So he'll be giving you updates. You can see he even said here that UBA and GT Bank is working. So he'll be giving you updates, the card that works on this platform and the amount that you can fund, right? Issue with him. All right, so that is the platform, right, guys? So thank you very much. I remain. If you love this video, please give me a thumb up and click on the subscription button and notification bell, so that you'll be getting updates from YouTube whenever I drop a valuable content. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.